What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be explaining a few things that you need to build the perfect S650 Mustang. Honestly, this Mustang comes pretty dialed in from the factory, but I definitely recommend some small touches that you can add here to not only improve the driving characteristics, the looks, but also just get a better day-to-day experience for your S650 Mustang. So what do I recommend? First things first, you either go with the Steeda Stop the Hop Street Kit, or you go with the BMR Cradle Lockout Kit. What this will do will eliminate all wheel hop, and the best part about it is you're able to launch and actually put power to the ground, so you can really enjoy, especially in a manual Mustang, you have launch control. You can really enjoy those stoplight to stoplight experiences, not literally on a stoplight. I think that is an absolute must. Secondly, you definitely want to get some different wheels and tires. The stock wheels, they do look pretty good. I do like them, although you just want something that performs a little better, and that's definitely lighter. So there's a few options you can go with. Apex makes some great wheels. You can get some custom ones. I'm not going to tell you which wheels to buy because that is pretty subjective. So I honestly think though, for tire, you can definitely go with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's for a more street day-to-day setup that has extreme grip. If you're looking more for straight line speed and straight line traction, my personal favorite is Nitto NT555 R2 tires. I had them on my last S550 and they worked great. For the rear, I would recommend going NT555 R2s. With this one, I'm actually ordering 315/40 R18 tires for the rear. And in the front, I'm probably gonna go with the Nitto G2s, and then probably go for maybe a 275/35 in the front. I want more of that essentially rake. I want that drag stance. Those tires will allow you to really get that power to the ground. So now that wheels and tires are pretty much sorted, as well as addressing the wheel hop, you can definitely get yourself some lowering springs. Whether, for me, I have MagneRide, so you can go with the iBack Pro Kit. That's really good. Planning on getting that for the car. I've honestly been loafing on modding this car, to be honest. I really am enjoying it the way it is. Then for exhaust, honestly, if you have the active exhaust, H-pipe. You don't need anything more. Anything else will be very loud. You can go with some Borla S-types or any Corsa parts, even AWE, that will help retain the valved exhaust that comes from factory, so you can still retain all that OEM functionality. In terms of what else do I got, you can always do some Aero, so you can do with the RTR front splitter, you can do any kind of front splitter. Honestly think with these kind of Mustangs, the S650s, that less is more. Maybe a wicker bill Dark Horse style extension on the performance pack wing. I like the RTR hood vent because it adds a bit more aggression and makes those hood vents a little bit more predominant. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need. If you have an MT82, definitely get a short shifter, whether that's through Steeda or MGW. Yeah, this car I'm really happy with it. You don't need too much. If you want some little things, I recommend getting the Diode Dynamics lighting throughout for the markers. That'll add a nice little touch. You can do the RTR grille. I know that's very divisive. A lot of people love it or they hate it, super polarizing. What I personally did with my car is, link will be in the bio if you're looking to get any discounts on these parts, is designer trim. We did carbon overlays for the interior. It's very expensive to go full carbon in the interior, whereas you can get some real carbon overlays that can be paint matched to your car, or it can also just come with yellow flakes, blue flakes, forged carbon, normal carbon, and it really adds a nice OEM look. They really sit well. There's no peeling or anything, and it's a thick molding. It's not a sticker by any means. Real carbon fiber as well, with an epoxy coat over top. That will really come together to help you transform your Mustang into a really unique build. So like, comment, subscribe. More content coming on the way. I got a set of beadlock wheels being custom made that I'm going to be putting on the car as we prepare for the Whipple. The car is going to go in the shop soon for some sway bars just to improve the handling. And yeah, and then a short shifter. Honestly, that's probably what I'm gonna do for this year, and then get ready for Boost.